Hello my bunnies, welcome back. Today we're making some rainbow cookie dough. Now this is cookie dough that you can eat raw. You don't have to bake it into cookies. In fact, I don't really know if that would even work. This is meant to be scooped and eaten just out of the bowl, which is like the best kind of cookie dough. So let's get started. Okay, so because this cookie dough is meant to be eaten raw, we need to first toast our flour so that our tummies will be happy with this. So I have my flour here and I have a baking sheet. This is like the most heavy duty baking sheet, let me just tell you. So we're gonna get our flour and we are just gonna scatter it evenly. That was Paddington sneezing. We're gonna scatter it evenly onto the baking sheet. And we're gonna just put it in the oven for 7 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're just like lightly toasting it. Okay, so while the flour is baking, we are going to combine all the other ingredients in a bowl. So first is our unsalted butter. That is at room temperature because we want it to be soft enough to mix. We don't want like a solid rock. And then I am going to sprinkle the granulated sugar on top. And so some recipes use brown sugar as well as white sugar, but because we are going to be dyeing this rainbow, we want the colors to shine and be as vibrant as possible. So that's why we're just using white sugar, and it's still yummy, so don't worry. And then we're also going to be adding some salt. Now I'm going to take my electric mixer and we are going to beat everything together until everything is nice and incorporated. Paddington. Look at the behind the scenes doggy. Some butter fell on the floor and he just sensed it. He just sensed it. And now we are going to add some milk, some almond extract. This is optional, but I like it. You could also use like lemon extract if you like that too. Then we are going to add some vanilla. Okay, so I have the flour. This pan retains heat. Oh my gosh, I've been like trying to cool it off, but we have to cool off a little bit more. And then we're going to add the flour to the mixture. Very awkwardly, add the flour to our butter mixture. If you'd like to have actual like bakeable rainbow cookie dough, check out this recipe. I made it a couple years ago, but it is absolutely delicious and foolproof bakeable. Okay, so now that everything is mixed together, it's time for the fun part. It is time for the rainbow. After I like get it out of here. It smells so good. Like it, oh, it's good. It's like really good. That almond extract makes a huge difference. So what I'm gonna do is I want 6 colors in my rainbow of edible cookie dough. So I'm gonna divide this into 6 balls. It has like, you can see it has like the texture of cookie dough, thank God. I'm gonna dump this onto my work surface and I'm gonna divide it first in half. Nope. Yes. And then each half I'll divide into 3 pieces. And it's just gonna be me eating this cookie dough, so I'm gonna use my bare hands. If you're making this for a crowd, you can use like gloves, like rubber gloves, and that will do 2 things. It will prevent the food coloring from staining your hands. I mean, if your hands are clean, it's fine. But like, I know everyone always like cringes when I use my bare hands, so I just like disclaimer. And then the magic of YouTube. So now I'm gonna add an extra special touch. I have some sprinkles and yes, I did pick them out and divide them by color. Now I'm gonna add these to like the coordinating cookie dough because we want it to be extra special. Oh. So now that everything is dyed and sprinkles are mixed in, we are going to layer it into our jar. So I'm gonna do it at a bit of an angle because when we scoop it, we wanna get all the colors. So, okay, then I guess we're just gonna put yellow on top. Gotta trust the ice cream scoop. Confidence. Okay, you guys, are you ready? Okay, I didn't get all the colors, but oh, what I did. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Tastes like cookie dough. Tastes like cookie dough. Anyways, I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you next Saturday for a new video. Bye.